Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers.
Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango.
Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the CAF Champions League, Pyramids 3, Orlando Pirates 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Also become a member. I'm joined by Zweli, Brian, Dlamini.
Hola Steve, hola my fans wethu. Aye. It's a sad day for South African football.
Definitely.
First of all, let's congratulate Sundowns for go reach a final. Igenzile lokho esicelile as South Africa. Ukuthi sicela ukuthi ama South African teams afike ku final.
Adluli.
Ifikile yakwenza ama selectina. Ayikwala kancane.
Ndoda.
So close but
So far. That's the right way.
Yeah. Ayikwalile. Sithema sishaye igoli lokuqala ngathi nakho ke ba equalizer saphinda sashaya elinye second half. Lapho ucoach nayo nabadlali mokumele babone ukuthi manje sekuyisikhathi sokulwa. Angazi noma ba relaxile okwenza lana kwangena lesi2 but lesi2 malingena sisa qualify. Yabo. But still angazi ukurelaxa ama substitute abawayenzile bafaka abantu obvious uTito mawufaka umuntu njengotito ungamfaka la eKasi yabo Orlando obvious mamfaka sizohlanya ama fans badideke laba but lena bamazi akuna ma fan yabo ku empty makalibamba ayikho le nto le overvavuma. But anyways, sothini. Sesoqala ka siqale phansi le nabuzwaning le. Hayi kubhlungu. Sesahleka ngoba kuyahlekwa noma kufiwe kodwa ke hayi kusiyeri. But well done ku Sundowns again. Logo kunye sodlala nakho la eSouth Africa ngifuna ukuxolisela ngoba nje konke nje sokukhiphela kukho. Le nyembezi lezi esiphuma nazo lena eEgypt ziyokhala la eMzansi. Siyozisula la eMzansi. So shaya abantu baphume ku top 80. Sishaya abantu sithathe iNetbank kwesi3 sambe sephambili injalo nje.
Man of the match.
Man of the match ngizothi ile team le yonke ngoba ikwazile ukuthi score equalize bese sishaya i-team nje yonke iPyramid futhi City sesifisela yona ngoba iyo engena star. Angithi ukuqale kwaphuma i-team eney'taya eziningi. Kwasala ama-team ayi2 kwasala ama-team ayi3 ayi2 aney'taya ne1 engena star. Sesifisela lena engena star ukuthi bene star naye.
Straight.
Sure.
Not the Sundowns.
Le ngena star ayibe ne star.
Not the Sundowns. Yeah, but it is uzosula inyembezi ngeChiefs.
Sula inyembezi ngeChiefs. Sula inyembezi ngeChiefs sikhipha ku top 80. Nonabi hayi uyazi naye kumele
siyakhala. Thank you, Zeni. Skizi mate.